The health department announced today they're converting the Alstom plant site, a COVID-19 testing site currently, to a vaccination site only. The last day for testing will be this Saturday. Our Meredith Aldis spoke to members of the community about this change.
Greg, Katie Blas says she came through the line here at the Alstom site earlier today to get tested for COVID-19. She says she's worried about it transitioning to a vaccination site.
It's so early. We're not out of the woods yet.
Boaz is working at the Caverns this weekend, a concert venue in Pelham, and is required to test negative for COVID-19 beforehand.
We're trying to bring, live music back, but we've got to be safe at the same time.
She says she was worried at first there wouldn't be any other places to get tested in the future, but there are. 3 locations are still open for testing: Simpa Community Care Drive-Thru, LifeSpring Community Health Drive-Thru, and Clinica Medicos Drive-Thru.
We're happy we have some testing. We need to keep the testing, obviously, going on.
Boaz says she isn't thrilled about the locations, but is happy the testing is still free.
If I had to go pay for a COVID test, it would cost a doctor's visit, $30 to $50 plus the COVID test. That's money that probably a lot of people don't have right now.
The health department says the decision to close is in response to a recent increase in supply of vaccines. So far, the county has administered more than 100,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine and is expecting thousands more soon.
We know that we're getting really close to being able to get some type of normalcy back, and that's why these vaccinations are so important.
Hamilton County Health Administrator Becky Barnes says every site takes about 60 people to run it.
Stopping testing will let us use all of our staffing resources to vaccination efforts. But we still want to emphasize that we need everyone to be tested that has symptoms or has had a high-risk exposure.
To date, the health department has given out more than 156,000 COVID-19 tests. We have the locations on where you can still get tested for COVID-19 in the WRCB app. Reporting at Alstom, Meredith Aldis, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.